What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Viana's Beauty, and today I'll be taking you through my analytics, just comparing my first paycheck and my second paycheck. No, not actually my second paycheck, because I've not yet made a video about my second paycheck. But today I'm taking you into my analytics to compare the amount, my revenue for the past 28 days and the present revenue now, to just show you how far I've come and the various things I've been doing to increase the revenue. So please stay along to the end of the video. So now I'm showing you the general, this is the dashboard of my YouTube analytics, and you can see generally how my channel is doing. If you go to summary, you will see like that summary for the last 28 days. You'll see my views are going up. My watch time hours, that's in hours, is going up. That's why I always say that even as a monetized channel, it's you still need to work on your watch hour, and that's one thing I'm doing recently. Okay, so guys, I would like to start with, this is channel analytics. I'm trying to follow the mouse and let you know exactly what I am doing. So that is for the last 28 days. Okay, so this analytics is showing for the last 28 days. If you want to get for 7 days or any specific month, you can always click on the 28 days and it will show you like the month of November or whatever time frame you want to check on. So for these 28 days, my revenue is 105 euros. That's 105.66 cents euros. And in dollars it can be about $120, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you see my top videos, why you are having a drop in your revenue. That's just a video I made. It's a live I made like 1 day ago, and you see now the mouse is on the amount. If you click on the amount, it will show you the previous 28 days, and the previous 28 days, guys, I made just 58 euros. That is like almost, I doubled my revenue. I almost doubled my revenue in 28 days, guys. You can see that I was planning on making this video when the revenue was still very low. Like 1 week ago I checked and I had made more than double the amount. As time is going by, last week I didn't upload a lot. I slowed down on my uploads, and I was not having time to do LS, so my revenue actually dropped last week. But guys, as I'm talking to you now, I have made double the amount. I'll be telling you the things I did to double my revenue in 28 days. Okay, you can apply these tips in your videos and you will just see a massive change. So to start off with, I'm going to go to my videos. Paco, stop please, I'm sorry for the background noise. My daughter is eating. So I'm going into my videos, and these are the videos that, like, my monetizations are on these videos. Not actually all my videos have monetization on. Some of them are not on, especially my highlights. Okay, let me go back now to the beginning of the videos. So I don't even know what I was looking for here. But guys, I'm so sorry. Let me go to the beginning of the video. So yes, this is the recent video I uploaded, the one I looked at, the Christmas full body workout. So I'm going to take edit. If you click on that pencil icon, it means you're trying to edit the video. Okay, so I'm going to click edit and tell you how I started. So the first changes I made to my videos in the last 28 days was the titling. I now maximize. You see the numbers, you see it is 70 on 100. That means I used 70 letters like A, B, C, D. I used 70 of them out of the 100. YT gives you 100, but Tubebuddy, you can see I'm using the Tubebuddy software. Tubebuddy recommends you using between 20 to 70 letters. Okay, if you use 100, it will be too long. If you use less than 20, it will be too short. But for personally, I feel like if you use less than 40, you'll be too short, because I've been saying on my live stream that you need to maximize your titles in such a way that people like this title now. I put Christmas. If anybody just types Christmas, my video can be recommended. They might not necessarily be looking for workout, but if somebody types Christmas, my videos can be recommended because I have Christmas on my title, I have it in my tags, and I have it in my description. Okay, now going on to the description, I don't know if you can see clearly. I tried zooming, like expanding the words so that you can see. Going into my description is something that I've been very lazy to create, but recently I've seen that description plays a very big role in my revenue, because when I describe my videos well, they are recommended more by YouTube. So now I'm describing my videos very well. I'm putting in my other social platforms, and as well it's been helping. And people to put your email in your description, guys. People to have been reaching me with questions like suggestions and stuff. So now I always put my social media handles in my description. Now getting into the tags, you have 500 letters to use in the tags, and it's always good to make use of these letters. Okay, maximize the numbers given to you. Mama, I'm recording, so sorry guys, sorry, forgive my baby. So maximize the letters of tags given to you, like use it. You can see I've used as many as possible. So this is the Tubebuddy software, and these are the tags given if you are using the paid version. Okay, I'm using the pro version, that's why I have all these tags. But if you are using the free version, they give you just 3 tags. From that 3 tags, you can do a lot. You can even go to videos that are similar to your videos and copy their tags and paste them in your video. Okay, you don't need the paid version at all, but if you can afford it, why don't you get it? So with these tags, it determines the type of ads that are placed in my videos, guys. And honestly, I have one person to thank for this, Omoge V Blog. Thank you so much for teaching me these things. Many people know these things, but they will not tell you. So I'm telling you what I have done to double my income. And guys, these tips do work. Please put them into practice. So when you make use of your tags, be strategic with your tags. When you're strategic with your tags, YT will put like adverts that will pay you more, because not all ads pay the same. Okay, not all ads pay the same. Many people don't know. So depending on your title and your description, you can actually determine the type of ads that are placed into your videos. Another thing too, I'm experimenting on my thumbnail. So guys, I need a lot of feedback about this thumbnail, like the one I created now. I'm trying to make my thumbnail clickbait. Like, you see, it's very bright. What's your opinion about it? Should I go back to doing the thumbnails I was doing before, or continue with this one? Okay, once again, I'm just sorry for the background noise. I really need to post this video today because the video has been pending, and as more time goes, is the last 28 days of my revenue is getting high. Before it was just 40 euros, but as time is going by, it's getting high. So I really want you to understand the essence of this video. So if you come here, that is the graph. The graph tells you, like, for this particular video, it tells you exactly your peak concurrent. I'll make another video explaining all these things, guys. For this video, I intended this video to be 5 minutes, but I just had a lot to explain. So I'll be getting into my analytics and showing you the things I am doing to experience the growth that I have. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And it's your girl Viana's Beauty. I'm gonna see you in my